Oh, it's already Christmas already. I need to make my mother a Christmas card. Maybe I should draw a Christmas tree. But, man, I don't really know. Actually, let's see if Google can help. How to draw a Christmas. Oh, a video. Hello everyone who's watching this. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be drawing a Christmas tree. Now, all you're going to need is a regular A4 paper, pretty simple, and a 0.7 lead pencil. Alright, seems pretty legit. I've got my papers, pencil. Yeah. Alright. Let's do it. So at first, let's go over the trunks. Let's go over the roots of it. Let's draw this little satisfying little trunk. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a line right here. And then you're gonna build up with a kind of half triangle-ish. And then what you're gonna do is continue with that on top of it. You're gonna keep doing that until you get this kind of result. You know, you can do with 3 or 4 triangles, but I prefer 3 to keep it really simple for us today. Okay, it makes a lot of sense. Okay. Pretty easy so far. Alright, what's next? Alright, our next step, adding the texture. This is where it's kind of a little boring part, you know? For me, I would start kind of drawing, you know, a branch or like, you know, similar lines to somewhat represent the leaves, you know, on the Christmas tree. And you can add as much as you really want that could fill out this triangles. And you know, I don't want to bore the boring part, so let me just skip it for you. So this is the result you're going to be wanting, with some ornaments on it, some, you know, the stars up there, and you know, a little bit of Merry Christmas on it, you know, to make the tree look more, I would say, more festive and more fun to look at. What do I mean texture? Bro, you just literally made a tree appeared. How is that fine? So this is what the results. But there is also one more step we can actually do. One more step? Hold up. Let me move to that part. So the very last step I want to do is to get this plug it, and now bam, and our tree is ready to go. What? Thank you everyone for watching this video. If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. Our like goals will be 8,000 likes, and next time I'll be drawing a car. Hope you all have a great Christmas, and as always, see you then. Oh, I'm buying my mom Starbucks gift cards.